How to make cake pan stepping stones. Create perfectly round stepping stones using a simple cake pan and the typical ingredients needed to design this unique and special walkway. Steps. 1. Cut plates and glass into chunks. Before using the Mosaic cutter, suit up with safety gear. Place ceramic plates inside an old towel or pillowcase. Hit plates with a hammer several times until you've created the piece sizes you desire. Remove plate pieces and repeat until you have enough to integrate into your stepping stones. 2. Prepare cake pan to receive concrete and ceramic pieces. See glass. Place the pan on top of the contact paper and trace around it. Cut out tracing and remove adhesive backing. Place contact paper inside cake pan, sticky side facing upward. 3. Decorate pan with ceramic pieces and decorative glass. Arrange the pieces in a decorative manner. You want to press the pieces firmly into the sticky contact paper. Allow enough room between pieces so that the cement seeps in between. Check the design by removing the decorated contact paper and hold it up to the light. If you like the way it looks, replace the paper, sticky side upward, in the cake pan. 4. Mix concrete. Mix concrete outside and be sure you protect your face with the mask and hands with the gloves. Follow the directions on the concrete package to mix it to the right consistency. 5. Create the stepping stone support. Cut a square piece of chicken wire that will hold your stones in place. The wire should be smaller than the stone size, but large enough to provide traction. Put wire aside. 6. Spread concrete in cake pan on top of the decorative gems and ceramic pieces. Fill pan approximately 3/4 of the way, using your knife to spread the concrete evenly. Press concrete down into the pan to ensure a dense stone. Place chicken wire on top of the concrete, pressing into place. Top with more cement so it fills the entire pan. Smooth with hands and/or knife. 7. Allow pan to sit and dry for approximately 2 days. Make sure you leave it in a cool, non-humid area to ensure it dries completely. 8. Remove from pan. Turn pan over and tap the top to loosen the stone. Once the stone has been released, slowly remove the contact paper. Sand rough edges and then use a wet cloth to smooth and clean the stone. 9. Finish stepping stone by covering it with marine varnish or a protective varnish coating. Things. Cake pan, round, non-stick. Petroleum jelly. Contact paper. Glass gems and/or sea glass. Towel or pillowcase. Concrete. Marine varnish. Mosaic glass cutter. Chicken wire. Safety glasses. Heavy gloves. Protective dust mask. Hammer. Bucket. Trowel. Water. Decorative ceramic plates. You will break these, so find plates you are comfortable breaking. Tips. Use a heart-shaped pan instead of a round cake pan for a romantic walkway. Embed photos inside stepping stones by using Modge Podge and clear glass coasters. Sandwich the photo between the coasters and apply Modge Podge. Place on the bottom of the cake pan, using the same method as when you arrange the ceramic plates and sea glass.